Hello, EastSussexBiker here. Welcome back. Finally, it's ready to go. So basically what we've done is we've put a new bearing in the hub and I've put a new wheel on. So we've got a nice new shiny wheel and put the tyre on. I didn't, someone else did. I have to admit to pinching the tube, and so therefore yes, I had to get another one today, which I wasn't too chuffed about, but there you go, that's the way it is. Yep, so new wheel all back on. We're going to give it a blast up the road. It's very windy today. Come on, girl. Yes! And I need to do the side stand because the side stand is playing up. I'm just going to go down here and back first, just to check everything is okay. Can't think of anything that I haven't put back together. But we'll soon find out after going down here, that's for sure. I can't remember whether I ought to be going and getting some petrol. Right. Oh, that's a little bit of scrambling for the day. You okay? All right. I've missed going out on this. Brilliant, I love that. Such a lot of noise for a little thing. But it's good to be back out on it. Everything seems fine at the moment. So I thought we'd take a little run out and give it a road test after fitting a new wheel and bearings. Just make sure everything is okay. So I'm just going to nip over to, I'm just going to go out for a little ride really. Nowhere special. Have a little explore, shall we? Then if it breaks down, it'll make it harder for the RAC to come and find me. We'll only give it to 50. Let's go to Highhurst Wood. That sounds a bit sheriff-like to me. I suppose I've got oil all over the wheel now, where I oiled the chain. But at least it's clean oil. Bluebells are out. How delightful. Oh, wonderful. Look at this. How marvellous. Just going to turn it round. But first, right, well, we're in the East Sussex countryside yet again, out for another spin on the machine. Yes, after being away for a while, I'll get that right in a minute. We're back on Raj, the Bullet, the Royal Enfield Bullet. Yeah, there. Let's go and have a look. Ooh, nice. She's doing very well. Just wanted to make sure everything was in place after having the wheel off. Everything seems okay, everything's mounted, nothing's falling off as far as I can tell. Right, okay, let's get on. Not really the sort of thing I wanted to be following around the lanes. Yeah, so basically had to get this done and got to get it MOT'd because on May the 22nd I'm hoping to do the Distinguished Gentleman's Run. And that's a little ride round from Maidstone, starting at Laguna Motorcycles, and we wear period dress, and it's in aid of prostate cancer. So I'm hoping to use Raj, and that'll be really good. I won't be going very quick on it, but at the end of the day it's the taking part, so hopefully the old girl will be good. I say old girl, yeah, I call it Raj. But what's her name? What's in a name? This back brake still isn't quite there. Oh, bugger. No idea where I'm going. I'm going to go get pictures of those bluebells. They were really nice. Couldn't have done this on the BMW. Had a bit of proper mission. How about that for a turn? Well, thank you for joining me, everybody, on this maiden voyage back out in the sunshine with a new wheel on Raj the Bullet. See you later. If you like the video, it's only short, it's only a bit of fun. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll meet up again. Thanks again, take care, bye bye.